Hi children, welcome back to yet another section. In this video, we will discuss question number 5 of exercise 2.1. Now, read the question. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE in this given figure. And one more question is there, whose perimeter is greater? There are three sections in this question. What is the first part of this question? We have to find the perimeter of this particular triangle. You can see one triangle here, is it? There is one triangle. We have to find the perimeter of this triangle. And what is the second part of the question? The rectangle BCDE. We have to find the perimeter of this particular rectangle and we have to find whose perimeter is greater. That means we have to compare the perimeter of these two figures. Question is clear? First we have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABE. After that you have to find perimeter of rectangle BCDE and we have to compare whose perimeter is greater. Now move to the answer. What is the first part? We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Now look at the question. In this triangle, we already studied that. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the length of all the sides. And look at this triangle. This is a triangle having three different sides. So how will we find the perimeter? Sum of the length of all the three sides. So what all numbers are given there? Here we can write AB plus what is the next side? BE plus which is the third side? AE. Now look at the measure. What is the measure of AB? AB is 5 by 2 centimeter. 5 by 2 centimeter plus what is BE? BE is 2 3 by 4. BE is 2 3 by 4 plus what is AE? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. We have to find the perimeter of this particular triangle and we already studied perimeter means sum of the length of all the sides of a closed figure. So we have to add all these three numbers. Now before moving to addition, you can see two mixed fractions here, is it? First you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How will we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus. How will we convert this fraction? 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Now look at the question. All these fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means what? All the fractions is having different denominators. So if you want to add this type of fraction, what you have to do first? We have to find the LCM of the denominators, is it? LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So 2, 4 and 5. So find out the LCM. In your working column you have to find the LCM. Okay. Now 2, 4, 5. We already studied LCM in your class 6. Take the smallest prime number which will divide at least one number. So 2 divided by 2, what is the answer? 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 is not possible, you write the same number. Again which prime number you have to take? You have to take 2 itself. 1, 1, 5. Again 5, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. So we got the LCM as 20. So we have to convert this fractions, is it? So you write the first fraction 5 by 2. 5 by 2 and we already studied, is it? Addition of unlike fractions we already studied. 2 into which number will give the answer 20? 2 into 10 will give the answer 20. So multiply 10 to the numerator also. So what you will get? 50 by 20. Now you take the next fraction. Which is the next fraction? 11 by 4. 11 by 4. 11 by 4. So 4 into which number will give the answer 20? 4 into 5 will give the answer 20. So you have to multiply 5 to the numerator also. Okay. So 11 into 5, what is the answer? 55 by 20. Now you take the third part, 18 by 5. 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Again, 5 into which number will give the answer? 25 into 4 will give the answer 20. So 18 into 4. So 18 into 4, what is the answer? 18 into 4. 4 8s are 32, carry over 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. What is the answer? 72. So we find out the equivalent fractions of our question, and we can see that all the fractions is having same denominator. That means they are like fractions. How will we add like fractions? If the denominators are same, you need to add only the numerator, is it? So add it 50 by 20 plus 55 by 20 plus 72 by 20. 72 by 20. Add everything, 50 plus 55 plus 72. What is the answer? 50, 55. What is the answer? 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So what is the answer you got? 177 by 20. So in your question there is a mixed number. So you have to convert the answer also into mixed number. How will we convert an improper fraction to a mixed number? You have to do division, is it? So 177 divided by 20. And we already said 20 into 8 is 160, is it? So what is the remainder you got? 17. So how will we write the mixed number? What is the formula? Quotient remainder by divisor. So how will we write the mixed number? 8, 17 by 20. So we got the perimeter of, what is it? Perimeter of triangle ABE. We got the perimeter of triangle ABE as 8, 17 by 20 centimeter. Now what is the next part we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. And rectangle, what is the speciality of a rectangle? We already studied in your lower classes. Rectangle, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. That means if this is 2, 3 by 4, we can say this also 2, 3 by 4 centimeter. If this side is 7 by 6, we can say this side is also 7 by 6 centimeter. And we already studied one formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle? What is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle AB. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. And in our question, length is given there, breadth is given there, is it? So how will we find the answer? What is the length in the question? What is the length here? 2, 3 by 4. So write down 2, 3 by 4 plus, what is the breadth? 7 by 6. So 7 by 6. Then again continue. We got unlike fractions. If you want to add unlike fractions, first you have to convert them into like fractions, then only we can do addition, is it? So first part, mixed number is there. So first you convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2, 3 by 4. What is the answer? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now we already studied addition of unlike fractions, is it? Now 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. LCM of 4 and 6. What is the LCM? Do the LCM in your working column. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. What is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we got the LCM as 12. The same method that we did earlier. 11 by 4 is equal to 4 into which number will be the answer? 12. 4 3s are 12. So multiply 3 to the numerator also. What you will get? 33 by 12. Again take the next fraction, 7 by 6. 6 into which number will give the answer? 12. 6 into 2 will give the answer 12. So multiply 2 to the numerator also. What you will get? 14 by 12. So we got like fractions, is it? So how will we add like fractions? If the denominators are same, we can add the numerator, is it? If the denominators are same, we can add the numerator. So what is the answer? 2, 33 plus 14. What is the answer? 47 by 12. And we know that this bracket representing multiplication, is it? So you write down 2 into 47 by 12. And also we studied the shortcut method, is it? So divide by a common factor. 2 divided by 2, 1. 12 divided by 2, 6. So what is the answer you got? 47 by 6 you got. And in your question, mixed number is there. If the answer is an improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. How will we convert? 47 divided by 6. Again, 6 sevens are 42. What is the answer? 7, 5 by 6. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE? 7, 5 by 6 centimeter. So we got the perimeter of the triangle and we got the perimeter of the rectangle. Now what is the third part of the question? Whose perimeter is greater? That means we have to compare the perimeter of triangle and we have to compare the perimeter of rectangle, is it? We have to compare the two perimeters. So how will we do comparison? What is the perimeter of triangle? We have to compare. So compare. What is the perimeter of triangle we got? 177 by 20. And what is the perimeter of rectangle? 47 by 6. 47 by 6. We have to compare these two answers, is it? Then only we can say whose perimeter is greater. Here the same thing, denominators are different. If the denominators are different, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM. So do the LCM, 20 and 6. What is LCM? 2, 10, 3, again by 2, 5, 3, again 3, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1. So what is LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So what is the LCM we got? We got the LCM as 60. After finding the LCM, what is the next step? Take the first fraction, 177 by 20. Now again 20 into which number will give the answer? 60. 20 into 3 will give the answer 60. So multiply 3 to the numerator also. 177 into 3. What is the answer? 3 sevens are 21. Carry over 2. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 is 23. Again carry over 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer we got? 531 by 60. Now you take the next fraction, 47 by 6. Take the next fraction, 47 by 6. And think 6 into which number will give the answer? 60. 6 into 10 will give the answer 60. So multiply 10 to the numerator also. So what you will get? 470 by 60. Now we got two like fractions. How will we compare like fractions if the denominators are same? 531 by 60 we got and 470 by 60 we got, is it? And we already studied if the denominators are same, we can compare the numerator. So always the greater numerator will be the greatest fraction. So what we can say, 531 by 60 is greater than 470 by 60. And look at the part, 531 by 60 is equivalent to which fraction? 177 by 20 is greater than 470 by 60 is equal to which fraction? 47 by 6. And 160 77 by 20. Whose perimeter is it? This is the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. So what is the final answer? Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. So in this question there are 3 sections. First we have to find the perimeter of the triangle, and we got the perimeter of triangle as 177 by 20. And the second part is we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, and we got the answer as 47 by 6. Both are improper fractions, so we have to convert them into mixed fraction. And what is the third part of the question? Whose perimeter is greater? Whose perimeter is greater? Perimeter of triangle is greater. Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Hope this question is clear for you. Do the calculations correctly, then only you will get the correct answer. Thank you, children.